Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with living area television, bathroom toilet, solid surface kitchen countertops, ceiling fan, pull-out spray faucet, decorative wood plank flooring, pleated shades, small wardrobe for storage, high-rise faucet, electric awning with LED lights, sofa bed, decorative kitchen backsplash, bathroom cabinet with mirror, big corner shower, mini blinds, dual bedroom nightstands, carbon monoxide detector, overhead kitchen storage, booth dinette, bedside power outlets, smoke detector, double door refrigerator, residential grade carpeting, dual lights over headboard, entertainment center, fire extinguisher, solid surface sink covers, walk around queen bed, stainless sink, stainless steel kitchen appliances, double slides, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, mirrored wardrobe doors, stabilizer jacks, vanity with sink, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, front bedroom, flush mount gas range cover, cable TV hookup, over-the-range microwave, shower skylight, outside speakers, automatic levelers, outside shower, 3-burner range, sleeps up to 7 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.